Hello, I'm a business owner just like you, and I put this video together because I care. I slug it out business to business because I want to make a difference. So I got into a unique business because I saw an opportunity to help owners just like you relieve a burden they may not know an alternate solution exists. Every business needs to trim the fat wherever they can these days without compromising quality, whether it's the systemic downturn to what coronavirus has caused that stretches us to make payroll, or upgrades to our business that puts a strain on our very profits. There are rare occasions that someone walks in the door with something of value that just makes sense. I want you to know now is that rare time. So let me ask you a valuable question. If I can show you a way to retain thousands of dollars each and every year that are literally going down your drain to your satisfaction, may I have just a few moments to share with you an alternate and better solution? On its face, the topic of dangerous chemicals we use, what type we are using, and the fact that you have to use them is just boring. What no owner wants to experience is what happened when an employee mixed the wrong chemicals that resulted in a manager's death and 10 people being hospitalized, especially when the solution is very exciting. As an owner of EV of Kentucky, I think what we have to offer in our one of a kind product, the EV 3000i, is the best thing since sliced bread. Over 30 plus years in sales, I have seen a lot and I have sold a lot, but nothing is as cool and as effective as the EV 3000i. If it is time, money, or quality that challenges whether to buy or not to buy, I want you to know that the EV experience accomplishes all three. So nothing is compromised. In fact, we are so confident in the EV experience being the best solution to everything that chemicals touch, minus dish and hand soap. If you're not convinced, then we'll never ask you to buy. If you're willing to keep an open mind, I promise you will see an investment of your time worthwhile. The incredible cleaning power of this dry steamer that sterilizes, sanitizes, and disinfects will do plenty to reassure you that you have reached the mountaintop of cleaning options. Provide us the toughest or the most difficult item to clean in your business and allow us a chance to knock it out for you. Our pride is watching people engage how simple the EV 3000i is to use and all the things it will actually clean. We believe the truest way to economy is to buy once, buy right, and never have to buy again. In fact, the EV is one of the best products that represents an incredible ROI and an incredible warranty at the same time. In closing, I have two questions for you. When can we get busy showing you what the EV 3000i is all about? And how soon would you like to retain more of your hard earned money? Finally, don't be surprised if you're not asking us how to get one for your home. We have found the EV 3000i to be not only addicting to use, but also therapeutic in some cases. I know that sounds crazy, but that is the nature of the best thing since sliced bread. It will simply change your life. So call us today. Hello, I'm a business owner just like you, and I put this video